What's going on, guys? Back with another hard body video, and we got some more goodies that we're going to be installing on it today. But before we get into that, in case you missed the new wheel and tire reveal on the 22, I actually was using this truck in that video to tote those wheels and tires around, and I just could not be more impressed with this little truck. Check out this video of what it looked like. The little hard body is putting in work. They look absolutely massive in the back of here, but I am so incredibly impressed with the ability to stuff them in here and just how well this thing drives, even with this much weight sitting literally behind the back tire. This thing is a freaking beast, dude. It did not give a rip. I am so impressed with it. But in today's video, we got a couple things that's gonna wrap in together very, very nicely, in my opinion. I've been scouting out online, trying to find me some Facebook Marketplace wheels for this thing. I've gotten in mind what style and what color I want to go with. Color really doesn't matter as far as buying them, because we can always paint them. But yeah, I've been searching, not really found any luck. Not having any luck, really. Got these little wire things. There she is. This thing is from CJ Motoring. Dude, that's gonna look, it's a lot larger. This is supposed to be the direct bolt-in, which the holes look the same, but it's definitely a lot larger. Which, as long as it fits, that's gonna look absolutely amazing. It's gonna look sick. Got the two wires. Obviously, we're just gonna cut and splice them in. Got some, oh dude, some old school stickers. This actually matches like the graphics of the truck. That's really cool. I might actually put that on. I might put all of these on, honestly. Should we just sticker bomb this thing, the whole freaking back window? That'd be actually kind of cool. T20, by the way. Well, it fell in the bed, so I can grab it, but nice and dirty underneath there. I actually want to make sure that these holes, they look like they should line up. That should seat on there. That's gonna be 6. So basically, let's look at this. This is how we're gonna cut our wires. We're just gonna match red to red, black to black. Nice and grimy. 25 years of debris underneath here. Just like that. That'll lock it in. Boom. That's her. Let's just go ahead and just tuck this thing in. What do you think, Hubert? Huh? What do you think? Oh my gosh, yes. That looks so much better. I really wish this would fit on Chomper. I hadn't measured it. I don't think it will. While y'all were saying that it wouldn't. Thank you, Hubert, knocking that over. So let's go ahead and take the toolbox off and see how it looks. Not find anything crazy underneath. Oh, it's not. It definitely looks longer. I don't know. I kind of do. I kind of don't. We'll have to get it outside and see all together. The bed looks long as crap. This would have been convenient for hauling the tires. Could have just laid them all 4 down on the sides. So we'll have to see. I need to clean all this crap up, but as for right at this moment, it's pretty cool. I like how it says Nissan right there. We'll see, we'll see. I like the toolbox, I ain't gonna lie, but we got it in case we want to throw it back on there. It needs a good polishing anyway, so, you know, if nothing else, we'll polish this thing out and throw it back on, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Got the center window all cleaned up, about to throw some tint on there, just a Advanced Auto Special right here. 20% should match the other sides, I'm hoping. But I am absolutely terrible at putting tint on, and I absolutely hate it. So I'm not even going to show you because I'll be showing you how to do it the wrong way, no doubt. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it on there. Let's see what it looks like after. But we haven't had any interior driving like this, so figured on this road that is really fun, we just get some driving clips. The road's a little damp, so that's a little scary, but there's a road you can really carve down and have a lot of fun. If you can stay consistently over 40, you're moving. Little body roll for sure. We're staying around that 45 to 50. impressive for this thing to be a 97, and there's really no steering wheel wiggle or looseness or anything. And obviously the only thing you freaking hear is the tires. They're actually pretty loud. Dude, we're scooting. Oh man, this is faster than I normally go in Lauren's car, her Kia. But yeah, it's funny, this thing's so quiet. You can kind of hear the engine, but obviously exhaust totally silent. I really kind of want to put an exhaust in this thing. There's 60. I mean 35. Oh, boost car. Nice and slow. All right, we're hanging out. We're going. Gucci. Yeah, it's loving this third gear. We're almost right at 3,500. Dude, this thing is incredible. This was just little bitty tires, nothing crazy. This is a tight one here, but nothing crazy. That right here, let's be kind of chill. Don't dip under 40. We didn't. Oh my gosh, this little thing is fun. It's so dramatically different than getting out of like you know, Chomper or the 22, or especially Larry, which is just super tall. And the 22 you can go pretty quick, but at the same time it's real tall. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the curves. We're gonna come up on some houses now, so we're gonna go ahead and chill out, but that's fun. She's fun. All right, guys, well, here it is, rocking the new clear third brake light. No toolbox, a little bit of tint in the back, and a complete failed attempt at putting my banner on. I don't know if y'all have seen that yet, but if you haven't, enjoy this. So yeah, I got really frustrated with it because it was just a little cheap thing from Amazon. I tried putting it on there for like 10 minutes, got on the hood, did all kinds of stuff, and just couldn't get it to line up properly. And then I ended up ripping it when I pulled it up. So I said, screw it, just yanked the whole freaking thing off and was just done with it. Might get me a new one, might not, I don't even know. I need to do something because that looks pretty grody. But yeah, truck is looking pretty freaking good. It's absolutely filthy right now, but what can you do? And I guess y'all already saw the driving footage. This thing just freaking ripping. It really doesn't have any torque. I mean, it accelerates fine, but it's just, it doesn't feel like it's accelerating really. You kind of have to base it off the speedometer. As weird as that sounds, just not very torquey, but it'll get up and go. And it obviously was flying, dude. It might not look like it on camera, but we were freaking scooting for sure. We were hugging them corners and going, even if the GoPro hides the speed, which it typically does, even on dirt bikes and stuff. But yeah, dude, it's a fun truck on the curvy roads. Toolbox being off, I don't really know. I mean, it looks good, but it also makes it look super long. Maybe if it was slammed, it would look a little better, but I'm thinking about putting that back on. Third brake light looks great, tied in wonderfully with the taillights, of course. Looks much more fitting. Got a little bit of tint on there. It's a little bit off color-wise. I probably should do all of it, but I freaking hate tint, so it's a lot better than being totally see-through like it was before. But yeah, I think I should have got a little bit darker, as you can tell. But yeah, dude, little Hardbody is looking freaking right. I'm literally about out of gas. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it to the gas station. Hopefully this video is not gonna end with someone having to bring me some gas, but it very, very possibly could. But y'all definitely comment down below. Let me know if I should put the toolbox back on there, and if I should get a banner, or what I should do about that front. I guess I got to get a banner. Maybe I'll buy one that's like made for these trucks, pre-cut or whatever. No, that might help me out, as well as actually waiting and having someone help me put it on. See if we got a big boy. Sounds like it. And not real big, pretty big. Little V8 rumble. But yeah, that's gonna be about it. I think the next video, it's gonna be Lauren driving it. I don't think she's ever driven anything manual, so it's gonna be our first driving experience, teaching my wife how to drive a manual vehicle. That probably would be pretty wild and entertaining. Hopefully the Hardbody stays bulletproof and does not implode upon first clutch release. That's first. With all that being said, hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. Comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all on the next one.